Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks on Webull desktop. First, ensure you have the Webull desktop application installed and are logged into your account. You'll need to have funds deposited, typically a minimum of $100 to place trades. Navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top or side, and type in the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to purchase. This will bring up the stock's detailed information page. Once you've entered the ticker, like Apple for Apple, you'll see a comprehensive overview of the stock. This includes its current price, daily performance, and other key metrics. Take a moment to review this information. To initiate a trade, look for the trading panel, often labeled Trade or Order Entry, which is usually located on the right side of the stock's detail page. Within the trading panel, select the Buy option. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution at the current price, or a limit order to set a specific price. Decide how many shares you want to buy, or enter a total dollar amount if you prefer. Double-check all the details, including the stock, quantity, and price, before clicking the Place Order button. After placing your order, a confirmation window will appear, summarizing your trade. Review this carefully to ensure everything is correct before finalizing. Webull offers various order types, including stop-loss orders, which can help manage risk by automatically selling if the price drops to a certain level. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.